Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Dawn Tries It. I'm doing something really fun today. Another one of those little TikTok trends, but when I looked at it and everybody was making it, I was like, I can make this. So it is actually making garden flatbread, or should I say garden focaccia bread. I hope I said that right. Now the reason this excites me is for two reasons. Two reasons are, one, you make the flatbread and then you cut up all your vegetables and things and you make really pretty designs. And the flatbreads that some of these people were making were like works of art. I myself am a graphic artist, so I like to paint and do all that stuff, which, you know, I've made you look at my pictures and things like that. So I'm excited to see how my designed focaccia bread turns out. That's number one. Number two, I'm gonna learn how to make focaccia bread, and you all know I'm single. What man does not want a woman who makes bread? Oh my gosh, I so just took us back to the 1950s. But I've tried everything else to get married, so maybe I'm missing making bread. So I'm gonna learn how to make some bread today. I'm using quick yeast. See, already I'm taking a shortcut. I'm using quick yeast, and I'm gonna make my bread gluten-free. So there's a lot of little pitfalls right there. That's not in the recipe, but I think it's gonna be good and I'm excited. So let's get started. So for those of us who don't make bread, what's the ingredients and what's the steps? We're gonna have 2.5 cups of gluten-free flour, baking soda, salt, sugar, yeast, water, and olive oil. Oh, that's easy. So step one, mix all the dry ingredients except the yeast. And then in a separate bowl, mix warm water, olive oil, yeast, and about a cup of the mixed ingredients. Mix till combined so it doesn't get lumpy. All right, it's losing me already. But let me just start with the dry ingredients.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one, yeah, but me.
Now add 1 cup of the dry ingredients. Oops. I might be having a focaccia business, guys. I'm always looking for a new business. This might be it. Okay, I had all my little stuff planned and I mixed all the stuff up. And of course I'm reading the directions and it's saying that you need a mixing aid. I don't have that. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use these hands, but I'm gonna mix my yeast. Let's see if that works. This is my wet ingredient. I'm gonna pour it in and then I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Okay. Well, you know, I'm gonna start with the spoon because the spoon looks like it's doing okay. This is easy, guys. Not so bad. Hello. Because I am a chef. Maybe I should book a trip to Italy. That's what I was thinking of going this summer. You know, if COVID leaves us alone for a minute, just go to Italy and do an eat, pray, love thing. That's sort of what I feel like I'm doing. This is getting a little tight now. It's getting a little tight. I'm getting a little tired. I'm gonna keep going. 4 minutes. I'll fast forward this because I know you don't want me sitting up here for 4 minutes.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with, yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick.
I'm not gonna do a bread business. This is too much work. I'm just gonna make it this one time and that's probably it. I got lots of other businesses. I'll just do those. All right, so that's it. My arm is kind of broken, but it's pretty thick. I'm praying it's right. You have to cover it for 30 minutes. Of course I don't have a cover, but I'm gonna use my big plate to cover it. cover for 30 minutes and let it sit because it's instant yeast. And when I take this off, it better look like, I want to be able to like spin it like the pizza parlor thing. Let's see. So now comes the fun part. The whole fun part of this focaccia garden bread thing is the vegetables. You're gonna make designs out of them. I'm nervous. All right, I'm gonna do it. It looks more like cake. So I have my pan, put it on my pan. Oh, I don't think this is right. But it's my first stab at it, so we'll see. It feels like it should be thicker than this. All right. And they say that you mash it down with your fingers, or put flour on your fingers and then mash it down. So let's see if this works. I'm up in here making bread, okay? Black girls make bread too. All right. They said dimple the bread. Put little dimples in it. I don't know why. All right, here we go. This is the fun part.
And I'll be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. And still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie. And for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family.
Guys, look at my pretty book. That looks really nice. I'm gonna get my mom to hang this on her refrigerator. So this then goes into the oven for 25 minutes. So say a prayer, keep your fingers crossed, and let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, it is done. And it looks super pretty. It's hot. Look at that. What? Now, I don't think that I want to cut this, because if it tastes like pooty poo, I'm gonna be really mad because it looks really pretty. I would bring this to a party, like around the holidays. You know, I wanna be known for something like, you know, around my family, everybody's like, oh, you know, Paula, make them green beans, or, you know, Helen, make sure you get that mac and cheese. And it's always like, Dawn, just get napkins and soda. So I wanna be known for something. So I'm thinking this focaccia garden bread could be something I'm known for. Look how pretty that is. And if I taste it and it's not good, I'm not gonna be known for it. But I'm not even, before I even taste this, I'm gonna tell you this is so, let me get my little dishes out the way. This is so not a fail. This is a thumbs up. If this is not good, I'm gonna do it again. It's super cute. It was super easy to make. I think this could be something impressive that you use for dinner parties. If this doesn't taste good, then that just means I have some work to do. So I'm gonna cut it right now. I'm gonna cut a piece, maybe with the onions and the pistachio. Okay. I would like some with the peppers on it, but I don't have any. I'll do a piece with the onions on it. All right, so look underneath the bottom. It has like the everything bagel crunch on it. This is very good. I could bring this and have a meal with this. Good job, Dawn. Good job. So guys, Garden Art Flatbread is a 2 thumbs up and my toes, okay? Because by the time I finish eating all this, my toes gonna be standing straight up. This is very good. Where my husband at? Babe, the bread's ready. Here. Bye, guys.